In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design Power BI dashboard background with Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, branded background that makes your visuals pop and keeps your dashboard consistent from page to page. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design with custom dimensions. Power BI uses a 16:9 ratio, so 1920 by 1080 pixels is a great choice. Sticking to 16:9 ensures the design fits the canvas without stretching or cropping. If you prefer a different size, just keep the same ratio so everything scales properly. Before you begin, set your zoom to 100 or 50 to get a realistic view of spacing and text size. Next, decide whether you want to use a template or build from scratch. In the search bar, try Dashboard Background to find layouts with pre-arranged panels and sections. Templates can speed things up and give you a solid structure to customize. If you're starting fresh, add simple shapes to mark where charts, slicers, and KPIs will live. Think of these as placeholders that help you balance space. Use canvas guides, rulers, and alignment tools to keep margins consistent. Leave generous breathing room around the edges and between sections so your visuals don't feel cramped. Subtle is better here, light panels, soft gradients, or faint lines can define areas without competing with the data. Keep text boxes minimal, just titles, section names, or a header-footer band if you need one. Now bring in your branding. Add your logo, apply your brand colors, and choose a typeface that matches your guidelines. A thin top bar or side strip in your primary color can unify every page. Include small, simple navigation elements like page icons or labels so viewers know where they are. Keep these elements consistent in size and position, and make sure they're high contrast for readability but not overpowering. Remember, this is a background. Navigation icons won't be clickable, so they should guide the eye, not act as buttons. When you're happy with the layout and branding, it's time to download. Choose PNG for crisp, high-quality results with clean edges and minimal compression artifacts. If you've added gentle motion and want a dynamic touch, export as a GIF. Keep animations subtle and loop-friendly so they don't distract from the data. Before finalizing, do a quick check for alignment, spacing, and color contrast to ensure everything remains legible once visuals sit on top. That's it. Thanks for watching.